Hello, girl. Hello, girl. Hello. Oh, girl, have you had a baby? It's alright. It's alright. You had a baby? Oh, you're a good girl. Can we see? Is it okay? Oh, you're a good girl, Mum. Oh, wow, look at that. Freshly born. You're a good girl. Yes. Yes, so. It's alright. It's alright. You need some food after that. Don't think you're going to let us see your baby so easy, are you? You're not. I can see it in your eyes. I know, right? I'm backing off. There you go. Backing off. There you go, girl. Look, you hungry? Look. I know, it's alright. It's alright, look. Oh, you got a beautiful baby. Oh, you're a good girl. It's alright. It's alright, girl. Yeah, it's alright, look. Look at that, a wee brand new baby. Oh, it's so beautiful. It's alright, look here. Come on, girl. It's alright. Yes, I'm not coming any closer than this. I'm not coming any closer. That's your baby. Oh, just brand new. Look at that. Still wet. Oh, it's coming to see me. Hello, wee calf. Hello. Hello. How beautiful is that? Oh, that's lovely. Look at that. Hello, wee boy or girl. Oh, poor wee thing's shivering. Still wet. It's cuddling into its mum's side there trying to get some heat. Come on, wee calf. It's alright, girl. It's alright. I know. Look at that. Oops. Oh, she's trying to find his feet, or her feet. Hope you're a wee girl, because we've already got two wee boys of you.